Hey, Brenna, how you doing today?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Hey, you had this awesome blog about MinIO and WarpStream back in October, and I really liked it. I thought it'd be fun if we did it live. What do you think?
Well, it's always risky, but with these two products, I feel confident we can get it working. They're both really easy to stand up and they work together with no problem.
Good answer. You are correct. So let's do it.
All right, let's see how this goes. I will share my screen. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to stand up MinIO. So we've
Okay.
got our Docker, a desktop up and running, which is a prerequisite for this tutorial at least. We're going to stand up MinIO in a single node. So you can just copy this from either our website or from the blog post.
Okay.
And
Yep.
you'll see that's all it needs to do. It's up already.
Wow.
And you can interact with this MinIO instance either through the console or through MC, but we're going to use the web UI because it's easier. And then you're going to go, so just navigate to the web UI in your logs
Okay.
and log in. So I already have mine up. And then you can just make a new bucket. So it's pretty straightforward to do. Go to create bucket. I'll make one called WarpStream. So one thing that I sort of glossed over because I've already done this step is that you will need to create access ID and key.
Okay.
To do that, I already have mine, but you're going to go to access keys right here. And then to create access key, big plus sign, and it'll walk you through how to make it, put it somewhere that you can remember it because you'll need that for the next step. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Now that we've stood up MinIO, the next step is to get started with WarpStream. So you're going to install WarpStream however you want to. There's a couple ways to go about that. The link in my blog post will send you to this page here, and it'll give you a couple options for installation.
Okay.
However you prefer to do that. I already did that part too. We can just open up a new terminal window and start up the WarpStream demo, which is pretty cool. WarpStream provides this demo, and it's just a way to get started seeing the functionality of WarpStream. This part is how you connect WarpStream to MinIO. So remember the bucket we just created, it's empty because we just made it, but we're going to see
Okay.
some data get populated after we run this demo. The only thing you need to do is there's two things. So you need to change it to your access key and access ID, one you just presumably made or had already copied over. But you're also going to need to add your buckets. We named ours WarpStream. And this is from my blog post, so you can just copy and paste to follow along,
All right. See it here.
and it'll just run.
Magic of WarpStream in MinIO. Okay, so it's creating a topic now.
That opened up WarpStream here. And you can see there's agents that have been created. And now we can return back to MinIO, which is, we'll just go back to that logs. Click on her and see that,
Oh, there's the bucket
yeah,
and the
we have a
case.
file and there's stuff in it, which is WarpStream demo streaming data into the bucket.
Nice. That's simple. It's slick. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Brian, for your time.
Simple is my favorite word.
All right. Well, until next time.